my channel. I am Elise, founder of Lettuce for Life, and today we are in the kitchen. I'm going to be talking about how to make the best protein shake, period. Like, it is so good. It's so tasty. Everything's all natural. I love it. I love it. I love it. If you are vegan, if you just want to eat something that's really healthy for you and you don't want to consume all those chemicals and nasty stuff that other protein shakes can include, I'm here for you. We are here. So let's go ahead and jump into the video. The protein that I am choosing to use today is going to be the organic protein. This stuff, oh, it matches me. Oh, okay. I didn't even coordinate that. This stuff is so good, y'all. The flavor that I chose was the creamy chocolate fudge kind. The reason why I really enjoy this protein versus other protein powders is because number one, it's organic. It doesn't have all those nasty chemicals. It doesn't have all those nasty preservatives that are included in other stuff, other protein powders. And I love it because it actually tastes really good. So some of that stuff, I'm pretty sure most of y'all know, it's kind of chalky. But this one, the creamy chocolate fudge, I haven't had the vanilla kind or the other one. But this kind is really good. And it includes I'm going to go ahead and read them off the back. It's protein powder. So it is plant-based. So good. Clean ingredients, so it includes organic pea protein. It includes organic chia seeds, organic brown rice, and organic coconut. So it includes a lot of good stuff. It's dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, lactose-free, no GMO, and it's also vegan. So if you're vegan, I'm telling you, this protein is the stuff. If you wanted to just include this with just, water or something, it's okay. There's nothing wrong with that at all. However, whenever I'm coming back from a workout, I really need that protein intake to be up for me to build my muscles, my goals that I'm trying to include for this year. So I need some extra protein. Your girl trying to get these gains out here, you feel me? So I had to, I just had to ump it up a little bit just to get some more protein. So I'm going to show you how to include this protein powder with other protein supplements. And we're just going to create this protein milkshake type of feel that's just going to taste all yummy. We're going to go ahead and make the smoothie. The first thing you do is you're going to get 2 scoops of your organic protein. After you do that, you can go ahead and add in the almond butter. The almond butter that I'm going to choose is the slow roasted almond butter. So this is the one that I usually go with. And it's really good, y'all. And I'm just going to take 1 tablespoon of this. I'll do 1.5 actually. Let's do 1.5. Then afterwards, you're going to add in the almond milk. So you're going to add in the almond milk. I would say, I don't know, everybody's blender is different, but I kind of stop it at 12 ounces. That's usually the part of where I stop it at. Then to make it creamier, you could just do it just like this, but to make it more creamier and more rich, I like to add in ice cubes. The amount of ice cubes that you add depends on how creamy you like it. I like mine to be creamy, kind of milky. So I'm just going to add maybe 5 or 6 ice cubes to the protein powder. And then you get to mixing. So just a quick tip. tip. If you're making the protein and you want to make sure that all of your ice is dissolved into the protein mix, you don't want no big old chunks of ice into your mix. And so one tip is, whenever you're making it, you can kind of, towards the end, if the ice kind of fall to the bottom of it, you can hear it, and you also know that, you know, you need to mix it more. So if it sounds like this, you hear the ice still there, so that means you need to continue mixing it. So I usually mix it for maybe like 3 to 5 minutes, and then after that it's going to be a creamy texture, and that's what you're looking for. So once you finish with your protein shake, you can just leave it in here, but I like to just go ahead and transfer it to just a regular mason jar. And it should be creamy, it should be thick, and y'all, look at how good this looks. It literally looks like a chocolate milkshake, and when you taste it, this right here, I'm trying to tell you, it's so good. It's packed with protein. There was nothing in it that was unhealthy. There was nothing in it that included preservatives and all that nasty stuff. Everything was 100% natural. It's packed with protein, and on top of it, it tastes amazing. I'm telling you, y'all, try it out. Let me know if you like it. It tastes like a Reese's. That's exactly what it tastes like. It is so good, y'all. If you need encouragement, you know somebody else that needs encouragement, please write into my foundation, www.lotuslife.net. I love you. Most importantly, God loves you. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you on our next video. Bye.